See, Mom, this is my house. And this is my front yard that Daniel did while I was gone. Kind of neat in there, but I'll redo it. And this is my car. And that's my garage. There's Daniel's truck. And there is HOA Whore's house. Big, fat, old HOA lady. Woohoo! Jaden, say hi to your grandma. Say hi to her.
Where'd the dog go?
Oh my God, she was over in Cozy. And there's Moo Moo coming home after a hard day on the streets. Moo Moo! Moo Moo! Street cat. You street cat, you. This is our garage. Pretty messy. Kilo!